All right, I'm the Flat Master. Today we're going to take a look at the Gamers Nexus toolkit and their mod mat. In case you can't tell, I do some stuff with computers and I've gotten many comments about the Gamers Nexus shirt I've worn in videos. So I bought some merch, toolkit, along with the mod mat. Now on my live stream, I got a bunch of comments about this mat because it was in the shot. This is a work surface for working on computer parts and that kind of stuff. It's anti-static. It's got a grounding point and all that kind of good stuff. It is quality. I mean, look at this. It doesn't lay flat. I mean, what the heck, man? They've got a DDR1, 2, 3, and 4, but no DDR5. Come on, update your product. DDR5's been out for a while. Now, it does have a bunch of cool pinouts and that kind of stuff. You know, being an automotive technician, of course, I really like having pinouts. All right, so everything I'm talking about, I paid for. They didn't send them to me. I don't have any YouTuber cred with Gamers Nexus. So first off, the toolkit. Is it stained? Yeah, Tech Jesus signed it. I bought this during a live stream. They were signing all their stuff. Let's talk about the tools themselves. Now, they're obviously designed for working on things like video cards and that kind of stuff. That's really what the purpose is, and that's why I bought them. I'm guessing Steve at Gamers Nexus has little girly hands because, ooh, the grips are, well, nice, but tiny. I mean, oof. I guess, what can I say? He got little hands apparently. And unfortunately, this kit is not complete. It only goes down to T6, which is why there's an iFixit kit on here because I needed a T5. But we're just having fun because, the whole point of this video is just, poking fun at, Gamers Nexus, because these are actually quality tools that they source themselves. They're not rebranded Chinese junk that somebody put their name on. Chris Fix. This is actually legitimate tools that they spec themselves. So anyway, hope you enjoyed my little fun review of the Gamers Nexus toolkit. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Master.